Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Rancilio Silvia. Pretty much what we did is we opened up the boiler and replaced the boiler gasket, which was causing a leak in the machine. And while we were there, we noticed popping in the tank as the steam was being boiled, so we replaced the valve that goes to that. So now the popping has stopped. And we did a tune-up on the group head, taking it out, cleaning it, replacing the shower screen and the gasket, running descaler through the machine and all that. And now we're going to do a test shot. This is not the portafilter that came with the machine, but we are going to use it for a test one. We did not receive the portafilter for this machine. And we are using our test coffee for this. So we're just going to pour a normal shot. It runs a little fast or weird. I did not calibrate the grinds to this machine, so don't worry about that. Alright, now we're going to test the hot water function. Opening the knob should release it. As you can see, there's a steady stream down there. That's working well also. Then we are going to test the steam function. Alright, now that the steam's warmed up, we're going to test the steam. Opening the valve. As you can see, very powerful steam one. Working well. And that's everything for this Rancilio Silvia. If you liked this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.